Okay, there's my pickup in my neighbor's driveway where I park it while I plow, so in case I get my plow stuck, I don't get my pickup truck stuck behind it. Now let me take a walk up the driveway. This is down because it was plowed once already, but up there where it hadn't been plowed yet, you can see the difference. This bear, he loves snow. Here, bear, bearchen, huh? Snow, snow, huh? Yeah, bear, you like snow? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna plow all this right now. Okay, let me cut this off before this video gets too long to put on Flickr. Okay, we go cutty poo. We go boogie boogie bye bye and stop plowing. You like snow? This is part 2. Come on, bear, you like snow, huh? You love snow, huh? Yeah, yeah. Let me go up here. The plow's running already. This is part 2. I had to keep it short for Flickr. That's Mom's old Yukon. And there's the plow. I'm going to stop plowing right now. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Okay, the problem is, every once in a while the cab is still sprung. Every once in a while it'll jump out of 4-wheel drive, and then there I sit. Okay, let me go plowing. We go boogie boogie, bye bye. Oh.